Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome, a warm welcome to you. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how I did my pedicure. It's super easy. You can give yourself a super nice spa pedicure at home, and most of all, the best thing about it, it's free. Okay, so I'm not going to stay to talk too much. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? So and then I thank you guys, all of you that's supporting me, that's already subscribed to my channel, and thank you so much. I'm gonna leave everything I use in the description box down below. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.